In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix Site Inspection, Wix SEO. If you want to understand how easily search engines can find and index your pages, Wix gives you a built-in site inspection tool that does the heavy lifting. We'll walk through where to find it, how to run it, and what to keep in mind so the insights you see are accurate and useful. Start on your site dashboard. On the left-hand panel, click Marketing. This is your hub for growth tools, and it's where Wix groups everything related to visibility and traffic. From there, choose SEO and GEO. The SEO and GEO section brings together features that influence how your site appears in search and how it's targeted to different audiences and regions. Inside this section, look for Site Inspection. Go ahead and open it. You'll see an option to inspect your site. Click Inspect Site, and Wix will begin scanning. The scan checks your pages for discoverability and indexability signals, the kinds of cues search engines rely on to decide whether your content can be found, crawled, and added to search results. As the inspection runs, give it a moment to complete. When it's done, you'll see concise insights about what's helping your site get discovered and what might be holding it back. Expect clear indicators that call out potential blockers to indexing, as well as confirmations that key elements are set up correctly. Use these insights as a guide for what to review next on your pages, like titles, descriptions, and settings that control whether a page is allowed to appear in search. To make the most of site inspection, make sure your site is connected to Google Search Console and that you're using a custom domain. Being connected helps align what Wix reports with what Google sees, and a custom domain strengthens your site's credibility and indexing readiness. If either of those isn't in place, your inspection results may be incomplete or less actionable until you address them. And there you go. With a quick trip to marketing on the left, into SEO and GEO, then site inspection, and a single click to inspect site, you'll get a clear snapshot of your site's discoverability and indexability. That's all you need to start understanding how search engines view your site and where to focus your next SEO improvements. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.